Hi friends, thanks for watching Backroads Tourist. I'm Jeff and I have a sad update to a video that I just put up a few days ago. About 3 weeks ago, I was in Prospect Hill Cemetery in North Omaha recording a video on some of the stories behind the historic grave sites there. Prospect Hill is one of the oldest and most historic cemeteries in Nebraska. Toward the end of the video, I mentioned some of the vandalism that's taken place over the years at this cemetery. Grave markers and monuments have been tipped over, broken, defaced, stolen. Well, a few days ago it happened again. Somebody removed a bronze gate from this mausoleum and stole several marble slabs that were inside. You can see the top part of the gate in this video that I took a few weeks ago. The removal of the slabs has caused some questions about the structural integrity of this mausoleum, and due to safety concerns, the entire cemetery is temporarily closed to the public until repairs can be made. It's estimated that just to replace the gate is going to cost between $3,000 and $6,000. In the description section below, I'm putting a link to the Prospect Hill Cemetery website. You'll find information there on how you can donate to help restore this mausoleum if you'd like to, or you can just donate to the General Maintenance Fund. This is an inactive cemetery, and all of the upkeep is done by volunteers. They rely on donations for funding. Hey, I just wanted to say that if you are a subscriber to the Backroads Tourist channel, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Making these videos is a lot of fun for me, and it's nice to know that you like them enough to hit that subscribe button. I certainly appreciate you, and I'm working on about half a dozen different videos right now that I hope you're going to find interesting. If you're not a subscriber, well, you can remedy that situation by hitting that subscribe button. Thanks again for joining me on Backroads Tourist. I'm Jeff, and I'll see you on the Backroads.